Every dream home starts here, with a vision and a piece of land. Let's watch this modern masterpiece come to life. First, we lay the foundation, the solid base that will support everything to come. Next, the skeleton of the home rises. The walls go up as the structure takes shape. The roof structure is added, protecting the interior and defining the home's silhouette. With the roof shingles in place, the home is now sealed from the elements. Now for the personality. Painting and exterior finishes bring the design to life. Large glass windows are fitted, inviting natural light into every corner. Landscaping adds the final touch of green, grounding the house in its environment. And there it is, a stunning modern home, finished and ready for its new owners. From empty land to a dream realized. This is the art of construction.